We're here eating lunch at the Geocaching Club thing. We're watching helicopters take off.
After having the massive explosion, this has been a pretty exciting lunch.
Oh yeah, there was a massive explosion too. It was cool. Do I have the zoom mic on? No, I have normal mic on. That's good. Okay, it's going faster. Waiting for a helicopter to take off. So much fun.
It is fun.
Yeah.
It really is. No, we can still see blades. Yeah.
Like that, and I made my French bread.
It's going faster than 60 frames per second.
Those bikes are going fast. I don't know.
It's not perfect.
Thing.
Wait. Take a video of it. If you can sync it to 60, they should.
If I can do what?
Freeze. If you can sync it to the blades should freeze in place. Should be pretty cool.
Oh, right.
Or stay still.
On the right, kind of, but not really.
Alright, so then just go like.
Oh. It looks kind of cool though. Where?
He's walking out right.
Oh, is that the pilot?
I think so. He's walking.
So, oh, they're closing the doors. Here we go.
Yeah, that's better.
You guys excited?
Oh yeah.
What's he doing?
He's not getting.
He's putting on his helmet. Where is? There he is. Yeah, oh, here we go. Come on. He's in. Doors closed.
There we go.
There we go.
Now it's going. It's off.
I need a tripod. Still filming it.
It's chopping. Is that fully zoomed in?
Yeah. How was that?
Far more exciting than going anywhere.
Whoa.
Whoa. You can like see Michael's face.
How was that?
That was pretty awesome.
It was good? It was good? Okay, let's go biking.